El Nido, where the waters are so blue, the mountains so jagged, and the sunsets are absolutely unbeatable. Except for those hotel prices though. In this video, I'm gonna show you a couple of properties to stay when you come to El Nido. Guys, akong pangalan ay si Cheno. I'm gonna show you a budget place to stay right in the town of El Nido proper. So this hostel that we're staying at is down this laneway, so let's get walking. Fun fact guys, I always stay in this place. This is my third time here, so I went here in January of 2018, in June of 2019 with Alex, and now it is April 2022. And it is called Mountainside Inn. And yeah, it's my third time coming here and I always go to this place because it's so cheap. It's a great location, like walking distance to all the restaurants, even to the beach. It's like 3 minutes. And let's check out the space, see what it's like. All right, lead us through. So this is their reception. They now have a plastic for, you know, health and safety measures. And right here behind Alex is a place to wash your feet after your tours. You'll probably be quite sandy, like your legs, your feet, or everywhere. So you can wash it here. Little sink to wash your hands. A bench to, I don't know, if you want to chill down here. They've got a water dispenser. Oh yeah, there you go. Thanks to my model Alex. And let's make our way up to the... Hello te, nag-vlog lang kami. What's your name again, ate?
Annabelle.
Annabelle?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is Ate Annabelle right here.
Yes.
And she actually recognized me yesterday when we checked in. And so I always, like I was telling the vlog na, I always come here to stay when I go in El Nido because it's just nice and cozy and very like a family vibe in this place. So thanks for having me again all the time.
Yeah.
Sige te, mag-room tour sa me.
Yeah, so all of konti lang ate.
Yeah. So sweet.
Two.
Ang sarap
Yeah,
nito.
two.
Yeah,
I'll
the
have
small
two.
ones are the sweetest,
Yeah.
no?
Ooh.
Yeah. Thank
Do you want some for yourself?
From my farm.
Yeah, this.
I want to.
It's two as well. Ate. Okay, thank you, ate.
Salamat ate.
Free
Thank you so
banana.
much.
Yes.
Alright, let's walk upstairs.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, so this here is their balcony. And like common area, you could say. I love this spot because we literally just sit down right here and do some work, have some coffee in the morning, some fresh air. We're pretty far from the main road. Let's see if I can show you. It's like over there, so we don't get too much noise from the main road. And just one of the awesome things here is that there's a massive mountain right at the back of this accommodation. That's why it's called Mountainside Inn. Yeah, so why don't we go in and check out the room. Okay guys, so this is what $25 a night gets you. 25 Australian dollars. Super small. At least we got an aircon and a fan. But yeah, this is supposed to be a double bed. We've got a small table and Alex is over there. And that's all the space we have. So quick pan around the room. That's it. And here's the bath, or yeah, the bathroom. Not bad. Not that great either, but hey, 25 bucks a night. I'm not complaining. So we actually booked here for 5 nights, was it? Yeah, so we booked here for 5 nights. And it actually only cost us 25 Australian dollars per night. And I'll put the US dollar conversion as well as the Philippine pesos, like what we actually paid for. Because for the most part, you're gonna be on tours in El Nido. You're not gonna stay in your hotel and you're gonna be out and about on tour A, B, C, and check out our vlog for tour D. But yeah, so I think it's probably best to just spend little, spend small on accommodation, and spend big on tours and food around El Nido town. But if you have a slightly bigger budget and you want to stay somewhere more spacious with better amenities such as a pool, well, we're here at Cocoon Hotel. It's still in the town of El Nido, walking distance to the beach, to the restaurants. So why don't we go inside and let's check it out. Let's walk through the front entrance to the reception. We have Kuya and Ate over here who checked us in earlier a few minutes ago, and yeah, let's walk around through the space and see what else is here. So right next to the reception is this lounging area where you can sit down. There's plenty of seats for everyone as well. Do you want to sit down? No, I'm kidding. We got our model over here. Yeah, so probably a great place to work. Plenty of seats, got a fan, so you won't be sweating outside. And let's make our way to the dining section. So here they actually offer a breakfast buffet, and this is their massive dining section. I guess for breakfast, yeah. Massive space. Let me walk you through. Look at this. I'm walking back, trying not to hit the wall. But yeah, if they could probably add more tables and chairs, but obviously there's that thing going on right now. Some health and safety precautions that we need to follow. So yeah, let's go check out this amazing spot right here. So this right here is their pool, and empty right now, so I'm so tempted to go in for a dip, but we're still waiting to check into our rooms. But yeah, it's super spacious, guys. I thought it would be a little bit smaller, but this is plenty of room for a lot of people. They've got some what are the chairs called? Lounge chairs?
Lounge chairs?
Pool chairs.
Yeah.
So they've got some pool chairs over here, plenty over that end as well. And let's go for a walk and check this place out. Well, I just realized that this pool kind of has two levels. There's the deeper one on that side, and then you've got the more shallower side. So I guess this is kind of family friendly. So if you have kids, you can bring them here and they'll be safer on this end of the pool. And yeah, so that's another feature of a Cocoon hotel. It's not just for backpackers, but yeah, it's great for families as well. Before we head to the rooms, we're just gonna say hi to the dogs here, the doggos.
Yeah, there's two of them.
There's two of them, but this
Yeah,
one's a nicer
chow,
one that's
right?
happy to be patted. Oh, look at
Oh,
her.
no.
Oh, so cute.
I know, hello. He's so cute.
Okay, so we should probably check out the rooms. Let's head up. So we're here at the top floor of Cocoon Hotel, and it's level 4. Let's check out room 402. So unlike the previous accommodation, this one is incredibly spacious. So yeah, have a look through. Quick pan around. As you can see, we've got a queen bed here. Pretty big, and like I was saying earlier, I think these rooms are actually great for families. So a queen bed and then a single bed if you have like a kid or two. Or you probably only allowed one. But yeah, so you've got an extra bed here, super spacious. We've got our luggages over there. So over here, guys, they've got a little table. You can probably do some work here, and obviously coffee and water. And yeah, if I turn the brightness down, if you can see there, that's actually another view of El Nido's classic ocean view. That actually looks crazy to my eyes anyway. They've got it all here. They've got an aircon, a fan, a TV. I'm not big on watching TVs, but hey, it might come useful. And yeah, they've got hangers here to hang your clothes, extra blankets to keep you warm, and nice. Yeah,
Nice comfy bed.
it's actually quite nice and tranquil over here. Super chill and spacious. That's like the big thing for me here. So here we've got their bathroom, and a common theme here is it's quite spacious as well. Yeah, nothing too crazy, just right. And let's check out this next standout feature here in this bathroom. Oh, here in this. Happy to be here, so big thank you to Cocoon Hotel for hosting our stay here in El Nido for a couple of nights. And this is probably the best feature. Let's check it out. Guys, check this out. Beach view. Classic El Nido view here, guys. That's amazing. is our view in El Nido, right outside our hotel room. How incredible. Did you get a good sleep last night?
I actually did. I think we slept for like 7 hours,
Yeah.
roughly. It
Like
was so good.
7 to 8 hours of solid sleep for me as
Yeah,
well.
it's so good.
Super comfy here. I'm so happy.
Very comfy.
Yeah. And the views are just absolutely unbeatable, guys. This is stunning. The sun is coming out to play, and you'll have to watch our next vlog for when we go to Tour D and go island hopping here in El Nido. Good morning. Ooh. What do we have?
Bread.
Ooh, okay, so we just... Yeah, so it's a breakfast buffet. I guess we just tell Kuya what we want.
Yung isa po meron, yung isa wala ko yun. Sugar lang, thank you.
Oh, let's go. Okay na yan, Kuya?
Kuya, ano to? Fish fillet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige.
Sige po, kuya.
Keep going, Kuya.
Isa pa.
Okay, okay na yan.
And then vegetable, kuya.
It's 7:40 a.m. We're gonna have some breakfast before we head out to our tour. Make sure you subscribe to check out the next vlog, which will be the tour. Actually, you'll see in the next vlog. But yeah, let's eat. Guys, we just devoured breakfast, but we'll see you tomorrow morning for our final day here at Cocoon. We're gonna be trying out their pool. Good morning. It is our second day here at Cocoon Hotel. It's May 3 and we actually check out today, but first, why don't we grab some breakfast? What do we get?
We have chicken sausage, garlic rice, mackerel, mushroom, and the sotong hong soup. I'm so excited for this one. And also
Some fruits.
So before we check out, we're actually gonna capture some content for the hotel because why not? The sun is shining and the pool looks so good right now. So let's go.
So guys, I'm just about to end the vlog here for this hotel tour and our stay here at Cocoon. So thank you so much for having us.
Yes, so the rooms were really nice. We slept really well. It was the bed was comfy.
Yeah,
so thank you so much.
So anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Chenogoes.
Alex Conception.
Yeah. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.